Hey everybody, Sharon here, and yeah, I'm on this mat today. How about that? So, this past week I've been working on some hair flowers, or some headbands, I guess I should say. And the first one is it has Cindy Lou Who on it. Nice red band. Here's the back, and I did, this was crafted by red lace and then put together on a shabby chic rosette or whatever you want to call it. But I realized this would probably be more worn around Christmas time, but I love it. A little bit of pink in there, and who doesn't love Cindy Who? So I think it will be worn year round. So this one is up for sale on my Etsy shop, so go check it out. And then I have this one, a sparkle butterfly rosette, shabby chic rosette with little pink polka dots, and a pink, I guess, lace gathered, or fabric gathered flower, and a little white, but with a little diamond center, or diamond-like center. Not a real diamond, people, not a real diamond. And in the back, nice felt, and it can go on like this. Really pretty. Now my headbands, they will fit a baby. How do I know? Because I used to make them for my girls, and they will fit. And my daughter is 5 years old, and they still fit her. So because they stretch. So these are good elastic stretch things. Okay, and then this one, kind of like almost a lavender and cream one. But here's a center. On top of this flower I hand stitched. This is another fabric flower on a shabby chic rosette with a nice center. Get the light on that. And a cute little mermaid. I thought that was just adorable. And then this purple sparkly thing, and a white, another white flower. So this is lots of fun, and it goes like that. And this is the back. So these are ready for purchase on my Etsy shop, Eleni Little Flowers. Please give it a quick stop by. I have soap there available and more hair flowers. So, okay. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down there. And as always, happy crafting. And yeah, you should definitely craft. It makes you happy. So we need more of that. And all right, later.